How to fix Corsair iCUE not detecting hub, fans, or AIO on your Windows 10 or 11. How to fix. So if you're facing this problem on your Corsair iCUE, which is not detecting your hub, fans, or AIO on your Windows 10 or 11, then just watch this video. First, you need to perform a hard power cycle, which is the most common fix. Hardware components like iCUE, link hub, or commander core can enter a locked state after a power surge or a failed firmware push. A hard reset forces the hub to re-illuminate all attached devices. You need to shut your PC completely and then flip the switch on the back of your power supply unit to the off position and unplug the power cable. After that, press and hold the physical PC power button on your case for 8 to 10 minutes and hold it down for 20 seconds to drain all the residual power from the motherboard capacitors. Next, plug the power cable back in and flip the PSU switch to on and boot into Windows. Check if iCUE now populates your hardware. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the second process, which is you need to repair or clean reinstall iCUE. For that, you need to open up your Windows 11 settings and then go with apps and install apps and scroll down to Corsair iCUE 5 software. Click on the three dots next to it and then select modify and click on repair and let the tool automatically resolve the file corruptions. Or to clean reinstall, if a repair fails completely, uninstall iCUE. To ensure a successful reset, manually clear out left behind apps, files by pressing Win plus R and then typing percentage app data percentage and deleting the Corsair folder before downloading the latest build from the official Corsair download page. Or you can also check and reset hardware connections. If you're using a USB Y splitter on an unpowered hub to connect your AIO and a fan controller, then disconnect them and plug the hub's 9-pin internal USB cable directly into a backend USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. After, do the SATA or PCLE power check. Then reset the AIO pump ribbon. And with these, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.